It is week 5 of planning, and the last week in January, I put a whole bunch of stickers in my Laurel Denise box that I received. I think my rose came in this box, and I went in here and I realized I had all of these stickers that I haven't been using, and one of them was the snow day stickers. And as I'm filming this, it's Sunday and there's a huge snowstorm like raging across the country. Now, I don't know if you're in a place where there's lots of snow or anything like that, but it feels like this is the week that I should have used these. I had used like a snow day and other things for week 4, but I didn't remember these stickers. Does anyone else do that? They just have piles of them and then they just never get to them. So I think for week 5, let's open this up. Let's decorate for the week. I was hoping that I could find in my little bag of washi some fun like washies that were like kind of wintry, but I don't really have any. They're all sort of like springy and summery colors. I do have some blue stars, but that doesn't really match. I was hoping to do something different. Maybe I could use these instead. I do still have my Planner Kate stickers that are for the last week, so I will use those up because waste not, want not. And yeah, I have the last one right here. And then small washies. So let's turn this around. Let's get into week 5 and maybe we can have a little fun with these. Here is a look back at week 4, pretty much the same as always. I've been doing the same Planner Kate stickers up here. As you can see, week to week, nothing really has changed. Still the same format for meals, washies, etc. So keeping the habit tracker kind of in the same place there and there. I mixed it up this week, put it back here for week 4. And so now as we go into week 5, I'm kind of wanting to mix it up, but I don't think I have everything I need. So like I said in the intro, I do have these snow day stickers, which are so cute from Laurel Denise. So I really want to utilize these, and I could just use them on this whole page because why not? Or is it a waste? So I have to think about that. I do have some of these thin washi strips. I have these. I'll link all those below. And then I do have Planner Kate. These have like kind of look like snow. We have these ones. It would be actually kind of great to finish this one off. I'll be finishing these off so that that'll be done. And then I have these two as well. So maybe I can use up this long one right here. Is this even? Yes, it is. I could use that one as well. So let's get to work. Let's set up week 5 together and see how this goes. It is so fun. There's so many cute stickers in here. I think I'm gonna wait and pepper them around as my week goes along and just use them all up, but use them sort of around when I write things. So I'm just gonna keep this sheet right in here and be creative as the week goes on. I've left myself some space here. I can do the habit tracker right here if I want, or I can make a to-do list. I'm just going to leave it blank for now and fill in as I go. Thinking as I'm doing this, I probably should have put this snow day sticker over here, but for today. So maybe I should take, because it's snowing everywhere, maybe I should take maybe this snow angel, put it here, because it's kind of like a snow, this is the snow day right here, just so I remember. And then I could add little snowflakes. I don't really need with this the tweezers, but just put those in there so I remember that this was the snow day. And then this is a final look at this. And when everything kind of comes together, I'll fill it in. We do have, I don't know if you can see the weather, but we're supposed to go down to 45 on Wednesday, have a sort of a cold front come in Tuesday. It's going to stay through the weekend because it looks like it's going to stay low, 63 to 48. So that's kind of chilly for us in here. So next week will be cold. So it's actually probably good that I have all these really cute snow day stickers in here. But I'm glad I was able to use them and enjoy them for this like snowy month. I am so glad I found those stickers, especially with this huge snowstorm. I wish I had put them in earlier in the month, but turns out it worked out perfectly because I think my office will probably be working from home tomorrow. So not for me, I mean, I always work from home, but the employees will be. So kind of fun that I put the snow day sticker for tomorrow on here. And so glad I'm able to use these because they're so cute. I believe Nancy is the one at Laurel Denise who draws these and creates the stickers, and she's so talented. They're so cute. I love the little snowmen, the hot chocolate and the little fire and everything, and the snowflakes. I mean, they're just so good. I'm so glad I pulled them out. So that is a win-win for this week, for week 5. Next week will be the first week in February. I have set up my monthly for February. I'm thinking of changing things up next week because we are traveling, and I mentioned last week of using my blue Kristy, my first Kristy, as my travel journal on the go while we're away and setting that up. But I think I may just set up this Kristy with all my stickers for the weeks we're away. Come back, I'll plug everything in here. If you're new here, I do a weekly series of setting up my planner each week. This was a quick one, a really fun one. I love those Planner Kate stickers with the Laurel Denise ones. They make me so happy. So, and thank you so much last week for giving me some really good sticker resources. I have not purchased anything new, but I have found some really good new sources which have gotten me really excited. So I think for March, it'll be some of the same because I've already purchased it, but hopefully for April, I can bring in some new ideas and some new setups to give you some other ideas. And then I don't know if I showed this to you. I definitely didn't show you in the overview, but all these things came out of the back. This is my yearly page, what's it called? It's yearly plan page. And you can see how I've marked it with trips that we're going on, things that are going like this. And then all these purple ones are Saturday and Sundays, or if there's a holiday, like for instance, this is a holiday right here. So it's 3 of them, but it's very busy with all the purple ones, but I'm hoping that I can outline or put in the washies for, you know, trips or get together with our kids and stuff, and I've given everybody a different color, so I'm really excited about this. And then I did get a new washi for my book page, so I'm gonna work on setting that up, and I'll show you that when I get that done as well, or maybe I'll do a setup with you video or show you when it's done. I'm not sure, but this one I think came from the Netherlands. It's so cute. Let me show you. It's this really cute washi with like a shelf with books on it. I thought that was really, really cute. And I got that off Etsy. So cute. What's it called? Only Happy Things, I think is the sticker, the name of the shop. But anyway, I was trying to find something that I could use in here for my book pages, and it was, you know, snail mail, so it just arrived, so I'm kind of excited about that. So that's all I've got for you today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when new videos go up. The next one will be week 6, which is the first week in February. I can't believe we're already 1 month down of 2026, and I will see you in that next video. So I'll see you week 6 for setting up my Kristy planner.